You want to start TikTok but confused about the sign up options, the email verification, up to the settings to pick from? Most people skip this and run into problems later, but in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single click from downloading the app up to getting a secured and healthy account. No confusion, just follow along with me. By the way, my name is Pricey. Welcome to my channel. Do well to watch this video and don't skip anything. Come with me.
First, download TikTok from your App Store or Google Play. You open it and tap the profile, then sign up. You see options like this. On mine, use TikTok app because I have been using it before. If it's someone new, you're going to see use phone, email, username, or continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple. I'll recommend you use phone or email because it gives you most control. Avoid social login if you plan to monetize later. You can sign up with either. Here's the difference. Email is best if you switch phone often. Make sure you use a permanent email you check regularly. And the phone is for faster verification but harder if you change numbers later. I recommend email for long-term creators because it's more secure and easier to recover your account.
Next, you include your date of birth. Be honest, because TikTok requires you to be 13 plus to join or 18 plus to monetize your account later or to earn directly from the app. Mind you, enter this correctly because you can't change it later. Okay? Now, you create an 8-character plus password, at least 8 characters. Mix it with letters, numbers, and those symbols. After doing that, you might not remember it, write it somewhere and keep it safe. After doing that, TikTok is going to send you a confirmation code to your email. Make sure it's a good email that you're using and you get stuff from it. If you don't see it there, go to your spam to check. It's definitely going to be there. After that, you insert the code and verify your email. That's step done. Next is your username. You don't need to stress. Just put any name because you can always change it as you go on. You can always change it. So once you've picked a username, you click on the sign up and boom, your account is live.
A quick security check. You go to your profile, go to settings and privacy, then you go to the security permission. Make sure your 2-step verification is turned on. If it's not, use your email or phone number. This stops anyone else from accessing your account.
That's it. Account created, email verified, security turned on. You now have a clean, secured TikTok account ready to grow. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your profile, from your name, your bio, your profile picture, and settings that will get you noticed. And watch this page. Remember to like, to comment, and I'll always be in the comments to listen to your wonderful questions. Thank you.